Good morning and welcome to my live trading video. I hope you're all very good. This morning, looking at the market, looks like we are going to have a very slow movement. But yeah, the currencies hasn't done anything yet this morning. But here's the plan. Looking at two currencies, the Canadian dollar and the euro dollar. So for the Canadian dollar, the price has hit the main pivot. So I think I just need to wait for a pullback to go long for it. And I've got the momentum with me in the 1 hour and the 4 hour chart, so everything is lined up for me. It's just a matter of waiting for it to pull back. I will look for a target around the daily R1, and for the euro dollar, let me just type it quickly. The euro dollar, a sell opportunity I'm looking for, but the problem is right now it hasn't hit the main pivot, so it got some work to do this morning. It probably has to pull back to the main pivot, then I'll probably look to short it. But out of these two, I think the Canadian dollar will be the one that I would trade. So yeah, I'll keep my eye on it for now and I will be back very soon. Okay, so the euro is moving upwards and I did say I would do short it, but I just realized the momentum on the hourly chart is actually up. So on my other screens, so I had to analyze the euro again, and since it hit the main pivot, I am decided to go long. Just waiting for a small tiny pullback, and I will. I did buy the euro at the pullback at 13.95. They see the price did come back. It was like full pip away from my stop. So now it's just chopping up there. And I did open another position at 13.96. I would just leave it for now and we'll see. I think it will take long this morning trades because the market is really slow. But yeah, I did get lucky. It was full pips away from my stop. But now it is back where I want it to be. So yes, I'll press pause for now and I'll be back and I'll show my positions and my ticket positions later on. How annoying can this get? So I was outside. I left the limit order just above there, above the daily one, and look what happened. The price was literally 4 pips away, 4 pips away from my target. And look where it came back as well. So it's a lot. I told you these markets are so slow, and I've seen so many of these before. So yeah, there's nothing I can do. All I need to do is basically wait, and just stick to the plan, and we'll see what happens. Okay, so the price has finally hit my limit order. Both of the position, it closed out. It did take very long, as you can see. It's nearly 3 o'clock. So my trade was 10 pips stop, and the price did go up where I said there was a few pips away from my target, and then it dropped back down. It went up again, and then from this candlestick it dropped a lot, and it finally hit my target. It was a quiet day. That's because there are no news up today. So looking at this an hourly chart, I did enter I think below the daily pivot, and now I hit the daily R1. So overall, I would say has it been a bad day? It's just been a very long day, and it was a very good lesson on how to stick to your plan because this is what trading is mostly about. Don't close your trades too early. You know, I could easily got stopped out from this 4 pips away, from 2 pips away, I think, at first, but I stuck to it. I've opened the position and I need to accept the risk. And if I lose, it's just a losing day. It's just a losing trade out of thousands. So yeah, here's the here's the ticket position. As you can see, the entry price and the pips. I'm up 27 pips. Yes, 27 pips. Don't add these two together because there were two positions at the same price. But yeah, overall, it hasn't been a bad day. Another winning day. Yesterday, I had a small losing day, and I will be back tomorrow. Thank you.